Good evening, this is Sunita Mahapatra from odishatv.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. 4 killed on the spot, 8 critically injured in a horrific road accident near Baligudi area close to Bargarh Balangir Road this morning. Good news for SC/ST students, state government increases the pre-matriculation scholarships to ₹800 for girls and to ₹750 for boys. Contractual watchmen shot dead by unidentified miscreants at Rural Development Office in Jagatsinghpur today. Police launched manhunt. Odisha on the boil as sun fury continues. Jharsuguda records highest temperature at 45.8 degrees Celsius. Sunstroke toll mounts to 23. And Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik reviews various works of Sports and Youth Affairs and Tourism and Culture departments. Now the details. In a ghastly road mishap, 4 people killed and 8 persons injured critically when a bolero in which they were travelling lost control and hit a roadside tree on Bargarh Balangir Road near Baligudi area in the wee hours today. According to sources, 4 persons died on the spot while the other 8 persons sustained critical injuries. The injured persons were rushed to Bargarh Hospital and later 4 of them shifted to VSS Institute of Medical Science and Research when their condition deteriorated. However, the victims have been identified as residents of Chipilima village of Sambalpur district. The incident took place when they returning to their home from Barpali after visiting the Sitala Sashti Yatra. Similarly, in another accident, as many as 20 persons sustained injuries as a private bus in which they were travelling lost control and faced an accident near Laindamala area close to both Redakol Road today. The incident took place when the bus Silk City with around 50 passengers on board was on its way to Rourkela from Barampur. The injured persons were admitted to Redakol Hospital. The state government yesterday announced a hike in pre-matriculation scholarships for students belonging to scheduled tribe and scheduled caste communities. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik approved a proposal in this regard. The hike in the scholarship will be applicable to both hostel boarders and day scholars. While monthly scholarship for boys staying in hostels and studying in classes from 1 to 10 has been increased to ₹750, the same for girls has been increased to ₹800. Similarly, for the day scholars studying in classes from 6 to 7, the scholarship amount has been increased to ₹180 a month, while that for the girls has been increased to ₹240. Besides, the scholarship amount has been enhanced to ₹240 a month for boy day scholars studying in class 8 and to ₹300 for girls. The decision to hike the scholarship amount for the ST and SC students came days after raising the reservation of seats in the educational institutions for them. A contractual watchman of Rural Development Office in Jagatsinghpur was gunned down by unidentified miscreants this morning. The deceased has been identified as Somnath Das. According to eyewitness, Somnath, who is a resident of Chhatra area, came to office in the morning and found laying on the office premises by other official staffs with bullet injuries on his body. Later, he was rushed to the district headquarters hospital where doctor declared him dead on arrival. However, the reason behind the shootout is yet to ascertain. Meanwhile, police have rushed to spot and launched investigations.
RD office आगे गेट पाखरे हामुडे की पड़जी सेटा फायरिंग हेची कोन पई कोन हेची सेटा तदंत पर जहा जणा पड़िबो.
Normal life was badly affected yesterday due to the heat wave sweeping the state, with the industrial town of Jharsuguda recording the highest temperature at 45.8 degrees Celsius, even as the government received reports of 23 deaths allegedly due to the sunstroke. While Jharsuguda continued to remain the hottest place in the state for the second consecutive day, mercury level crossed 45 degrees Celsius in 6 places in western Odisha. Jharsuguda was followed by Titlagarh 45.7, Hirakud 45.6, Bhavanipatna 45.5, Sambalpur 45.3 and Balangir 45.1. The capital city of Bhubaneswar recorded 40.6 degrees Celsius, with the heat becoming unbearable in the city as the relative humidity was recorded at 92%. The other places where temperature crossed 40 degrees Celsius included Talcher 44, Angul 43.7, Sundargarh 43.5, Dhenkanal 42.7, Baripada 42.6, Fulwani 41.8, Malkangiri and Keonjhargarh 41.6 each, and Chandbali 41. Deputy Special Relief Commissioner Prabhat Ranjan Mahapatra said that so far 23 deaths due to sunstroke have been reported in state. Investigation of only 2 cases has completed, and the report says the deaths have occurred due to reason other than sunstroke. Other cases are under investigation by respective district collectors. Meanwhile, the state government has geared up to meet any eventuality caused due to the excessive heat across Odisha. The district collectors have engaged 392 tankers in urban areas and 385 tankers in rural areas hit by water scarcity, sources in the SRC's office said, adding 531 mobile units have been deployed to repair the defunct tubewells.
आज एक्सट्रीमली हाई टेम्परेचर रेकर्ड कराई प्राय 6टा प्लेसेस रे हमर टेम्परेचर 45 डिग्री एबव रहउची कारण हमर जो उत्तर पश्चिम जो पवन आउची आ दिन बेले हमर जो ओडिसा रे क्लियर स्काई कंडीशन रहउची सेटा टेम्परेचर बढ़ाया पे सहायक होउची ताथरा जो सी ब्रिज आसिले किछटा टेम्परेचर कमी जाय थाए कारण एवापोरेशन फल रे कि सी ब्रिज रो कोनोसी सेमिति प्रोमिनेंसी नाही.
A day after asking all his ministers to work out on a roadmap for implementation of Poll Manifesto in next 4 years, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik yesterday reviewed works of 2 departments. With completion of 1 year in his 4th term, Patnaik went through the works of Sports and Youth Affairs and Tourism and Culture departments on first day. Ministers of the concerned departments and secretaries produced reports before Patnaik, raising cash amount of Biju Patnaik Sports Award, doubling the prize money for the encouragement of sports persons achieving in national and international levels, announcement of cash prize of rupees 1 crore for gold winners in Olympics, and recruitment of nationally and internationally acclaimed sports persons in police departments were mentioned as success stories of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. The department also apprised the Chief Minister about the successful arrangement of Champions Trophy hockey tournament in Bhubaneswar and full cooperation to Odia Minister Duti Chand in her hyperandrogenism issue. However, amid all these achievements, the department also trapped in some controversies. Some senior women sportspersons had left Bhubaneswar Sai Hostel alleging low quality food and restriction to go to religious places. Allegation of bribe for admission in Government Physical Education College was also another controversy which was faced by the department.
विशेष भाव ओडिशा रो प्लेयर्स मान भितर गोटे नूतनता सृष्टि करने आग्रह सृष्टि करने सबुठ बड़ सफलता है माननीय मुख्यमंत्री धन्यवाद देवी आम जो लोक चाकरी देलु सीधा सड़क भाव में विदाउट एनी रिक्रुटमेंट यहाँ हूँ आगामी काली खेलाड़ी मान भितर गोटे नूतन आनंद उत्साह उद्दीपना सृष्टि कर.
Similarly, Tourism Minister Ashok Panda said special measures have been taken for the propagation of Navkalvar festival, development of mott and temples, establishment of tourist police stations and mobile tourist patrolling system at Puri Konark and Puri Satpada. Allocation of rupees 52 crore in Prasad scheme was another achievement for the department, the minister said. On the other hand, the department is trapped in a fresh controversy over declaration of Dharmapada Award after a gap of 7 years. The state center face off over Navkalvar funds, delaying light sound system at Dhauli, and cases of attack on tourists also put the tourism department in trouble in last 1 year.
जमती अन्य राज्य रे किछि राज्य रे अछि मुख्यमंत्री तीर्थयात्रा योजना सेही भली एक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करिया पई मैनिफेस्टो निर्वाचन इस्तार जो रही कार्यकारी करते एवं विशेषकर फुटफल्स जो पर्यटक राज्य को अधिक पर्यटक आसवा नहीं से रोड मैप रे अधिक गुरुत्व आरोप कराई.
BJD MP from Kendrapada constituency, Baijan Panda, inaugurated a mini stadium at the playground of Kalabuda Panchayat High School under Baranpur block of Kendrapada district. The mini stadium is constructed at an amount of rupees 21,29,945 from his MP local area development funds. Among others, Patkura MLA, Ved Prakash Agrawal, people's representatives and engineers of various departments were present during the inaugural ceremony. DGP Sanjeev Marik yesterday reviewed the construction work of Gurupriya Bridge in Malkangiri district, which started last month. Expressing satisfaction over pace of the work, the top cop said after the bridge is constructed, benefits of government programs will reach people. We hope that the company which has been awarded the tender for the bridge will complete the work in time and full cooperation is being given from the government side, he added. Nearly 30,000 tribals have been living in this cut-off area since 1964 after the construction of the Chitrakonda Dam project for the Balimela hydropower project. This cut-off area has 154 villages spread over 7 panchayats. Currently, the construction is being undertaken by Kolkata-based Royal Infra Construction Limited after Gammon India left construction work midway following its temporary camp was blown away by Maoists. The company has started the RCC piling work of the bridge, cost of which has gone up from rupees 4 crore in 1982 to rupees 172.58 crore in the next 3 years. The 900-meter bridge will connect Janbai North with Janbai South.
को प्रकार ऑपरेशन को आओ आगु बढ़ाइबा से सब नहीं करी गोटे चिंता होची तापर से प्रकार गोटे प्लान करा जाउची मेन उद्देश्य सेटा तापर गां अंचल रे भी टिके लोक संगे इंटरेक्शन हैला गांव माने मु देखिली से माने बहुत उत्साहित होचंती ये ब्रिज तयारी होची सेटा नेके से माने बहुत खुशी होचंती
आपण देखिथिबे मालकानगिरी रो प्राय समस्त रास्ता घाट उन्नति हे गलानी केवल ब्रिज टार कंप्लीशन बाकी थिला सेतले आमे गोटे टाणुआ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को एटी पठैछु आम डिपार्टमेंट पुलिस सहायता रे काम चलीची.
The anti-corruption vigilance sleuths yesterday arrested inspector in charge of Dholi police station in Bhubaneswar on charges of accepting bribe inside the police station. The IIC concerned has been identified as Devi Prasad Das, who was caught red-handed with rupees 10,000 as graft. Das was arrested during a trap led by the vigilance sleuths. He had allegedly demanded the money from a man to show him leniency in a criminal case. The vigilance team also raided Das' residence in Pokharifoot area and seized some documents. Das was the third cop in the city who has been arrested in a span of 5 months. While Rakesh Samantarai, a sub-inspector of Jatni police station, was caught with rupees 10,000 bribe on January 7, on December 4, 2014, vigilance personnel arrested Amin Khan, a sub-inspector of Nandankanan police station, on charge of accepting bribe of rupees 3,000.
तो से फास्ट पेज रे ताको 10,000 टका आपण दियंतु बोली कि कहितले आ आज डेट ताको देइतले अकॉर्डिंगली जो राकेश दास से हमर एसपी विलान कटक पाखरे गोटे केस रेजिस्ट्री करथिले से केस अनुसार आमे आज विलान टीम जे कि भेटी ताको 10,000 टका देला बेले ताको आमे रेड हैंड धरलु.
The Economic Offences Wing of the State Crime Branch yesterday arrested another director of Vista Management Service Limited on charge of duping investors. The arrested director has been identified as Manoj Patnaik, a native of Bolangir district. Patnaik used to collect deposits from the investors in Bolangir district during his tenure as director of the Ponji company, sources said. The EOW has so far arrested 3 senior officials of the Vista company, including its chairman cum managing director Dev Kumar Panda. 4 days later, the EOW arrested Bijay Swai, a former director of the company, from Bhubaneswar on Thursday. The Ponji firm allegedly duped investors of rupees 50 crore by floating various schemes promising heavy returns to investors. The ever jam-packed Badambadi area of the city yesterday slipped into a turmoil after a brief lull was a notorious criminal sustained bullet injuries in police encounter. Yunus Khan, accused in many extortion and tender-fixing cases along with 2 of his associates, opened fire at a special squad of Commissionerate Police when the latter tried to capture them at Bikas Bhavan near Badambadi. Sources said the exchange of fire between the police and the criminal gang continued for quite some time, in which Khan was injured critically. Police captured him and one of his associates on the spot. Khan was later admitted to hospital. On the other hand, a local court on yesterday acquitted gangster Anil Chotray and 17 others in Prachi Division double murder case. The Bhubaneswar Additional Session Court 2 has given clean chit to the accused due to lack of evidence. Notably, in 2004, 2 petty contractors were shot dead near Prachi Division Executive Engineer's office in Bhubaneswar by assailants over tender fixing issue. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, 4 killed on the spot, 8 critically injured in a horrific road accident near Baligudi area close to Bargarh Bolangir Road this morning. Good news for SC/ST students. State government increases the pre-matriculation scholarships to rupees 800 for girls and to rupees 750 for boys. Contractual watchmen shot dead by unidentified miscreants at Rural Development Office in Jagatsinghpur today. Police launched manhunt. Odisha on the boil as sun fury continues. Jharsuguda records highest temperature at 45.8 degrees Celsius. Sunstroke toll mounts to 23. And Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik reviews various works of Sports and Youth Affairs and Tourism and Culture departments. Thank you for watching. Good night.